You act like I love you. Do I love you?
Yeah.
What do you think you're doing? Huh? What do you think you're doing? What are you doing? What is this? Look at your daughter. At least she was cautious about it. Where's your brother? Hey, do you need to poop? Are you pooping? Do you need toilet paper?
I already got toilet paper.
Okay, I'm just making sure. What are you doing, you crazy child? Stop it. Stop it. I will hang you from a tree. Stop it. You will suffer immensely. Why are you chasing me in a circle? Oh my goodness, I'm getting so dizzy. Hey, what are you doing? Oh, are you bad? Are you awesome? Show me your superhero moves. Come on. Show me how super awesome you are. Come on, show me your ninja moves. Not on me. What? Hey, that's not nice. You're not supposed to superhero your mom. Oh no. Oh, there's a wall there. Are you okay? Are you the Hulk? Oh. Crazy children. There's a couch. Oh, she made it. She made it through the couch. Wild children. They've all gone crazy.
Mom.
What? You're so close I can't even see you. I love you.